Hello, Mimi.
Hello, Mom.
What are you doing?
I'm riding my bicycle.
Your bicycle?
Riding my car.
You're riding your car. That's lovely. So what's that you're wearing?
Evil eye bracelets.
Evil eye bracelet?
Yeah.
Why evil eye?
Well, I just like to use it, and because it's really colorful.
Okay, it's colorful.
Yeah.
You made them?
Yeah.
You made them?
Yeah.
Lovely.
And I'm going to make some today.
Really? Are you gonna teach us?
Yes.
Okay,
It's so easy.
so-
Just use fishing string and put all these beads and tie it 3 times very tight. Then
Okay.
use a scissors and cut it so this won't be seen.
Wow.
This part.
Wow, that's nice. Okay, so you want to be selling them or something?
Yeah. And
You want to be an entrepreneur?
yeah, Kidpreneur.
Wow, I love that.
I'm
Kid
going to
entrepreneur.
I'm gonna sell these, so I'll get some money.
Wow.
Gonna sell it to kids.
Oh, that reminds me. Happy 7th birthday.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're maturing. You're growing bigger. You want to be a business tycoon.
Yes.
Kidpreneur.